In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a supplier remittance advice in QuickBooks Online. A remittance advice is a simple document that tells your supplier exactly what you paid and which bills or invoices were covered. It helps them match your payment in their records and reduces back and forth about outstanding balances. QuickBooks Online can generate and email this for you in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. Start by opening your QuickBooks Online company. From the left-hand navigation, head to Expenses. This area brings together your spending, bills, and vendor activity, and it's the quickest place to work with payments you've already recorded. If your layout looks a bit different, don't worry. QuickBooks sometimes updates the interface, but the Expenses section is always available from the main menu. Inside Expenses, select Vendors. In some regions, this may be labeled Suppliers, but it's the same list of companies you pay. This page shows every vendor profile along with useful details like their open balance and recent activity. Open the vendor you want to send a remittance advice to. You can type their name into the search at the top of the vendor's page or scroll to find it, then open their profile. The vendor profile is your hub for that supplier's bills, payments, credits, and history. If you're planning to send a remittance, you'll be focusing on a payment you've already made, because the remittance summarizes that specific payment and the bills it cleared. Next, click on the transaction you want, then choose Send Remittance. Depending on your view, you may see this option in the Action column on the vendor's transactions list or within the payment itself once it opens. When you select Send Remittance, QuickBooks prepares a clear summary showing the payment date, payment method, total amount, and the invoices that were applied. It uses the email stored on the vendor's profile to send the remittance so it reaches the right person without extra steps. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you pick the correct payment if you've paid that supplier more than once. Each remittance reflects only the bills tied to the payment you selected. If you don't see the Send Remittance option, confirm you're looking at a payment rather than an unpaid bill and that the payment is marked as paid. That's all there is to it. Open QuickBooks Online, go to Expenses, select Vendors, open the vendor, choose the payment transaction, and send the remittance. With this routine in place, your suppliers get timely, accurate confirmations, and your payables stay clean and easy to reconcile.